Imagine waking up one day and realizing your country's map is wrong. An entire island just disappeared. No war, no volcanic eruption, just gone. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, let me take you to the strange story of Sandy Island, a place that fooled scientists, explorers, and Google Maps for over a century. Our story begins in 1876. A French whaling ship called the Velocity sails through the Coral Sea east of Australia. The crew records seeing a mysterious island. Whaling ship Velocity reports heavy breakers and sandy islets. In 1879, an Australian maritime directory lists sandy islets, giving a north-south span along meridian 159 degrees 57 minutes east between latitudes 19 degrees 7 minutes south and 19 degree 20 minutes south. In 1881, it appears on German maps as an island feature, and in later maps also it appears. In 1908, it was clearly plotted on British Admiralty chart, the one you can see just over here. The 1908 Admiralty chart lit the spark that began Sandy Island's strange existence on maps. Over the years, this tiny speck, about the size of Manhattan, appears on official maps, atlases, and later even Google Earth. Here's the weird part: no one actually visits it. No photos, no settlements, just a name on a map. For decades, people assume it's real because, hey, if it's on the map, it must exist, right? Fast forward to 2012. A group of Australian scientists sails to the exact coordinates of Sandy Island and finds nothing. Not even a sandbar. The ocean there is 1400 meters deep. Google quickly erases it from Google Earth. Newspapers call it the island that never was. But wait, the story's not over. How does a place vanish like that? Geographers have a few ideas. One, it was a simple cartographer's mistake copied over and over for a century. Another, maybe it was a giant floating pumice raft from an underwater volcanic eruption which looked like land to 19th century sailors. Over time, it drifted away and sank. Geography reminds us that the Earth's surface is always changing. Sandy Island isn't the only phantom island in history. There's also Bermeja in Mexico, Emerald Island near Antarctica, and Hydrasil in Irish legend. These stories teach us that maps are not the territory. They're just our best guess of reality, and sometimes our guesses are wildly wrong. So, next time you see a map, remember, even in 21st century, Earth still holds secrets, and who knows? Maybe somewhere out there another sandy island is waiting to surprise us. This is Ahana, and you have been watching The Hana Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.